Hi! Today we will be discussing the different roles in Scrum. If you are new to Scrum, please watch this video explaining the Scrum framework, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on Agile. So as discussed previously, Scrum has three main roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The product owner defines the what the product should look like, and what features it should contain, and clearly express those. One of his main responsibilities is to bring the voice of the customer, speak with stakeholders and customers, and incorporate their feedback in the product. The product owner is the sole person responsible for maintaining the product backlog and ensuring that everyone knows the priorities. Prioritizing the work is another big responsibility of the product owner, because conflicting priorities and unclear directions will reduce the effectiveness of the team, and also it could break the trust relationship that the development team might have built with the stakeholders and customers. Product owners should be empowered to take decisions on what should be added or not added to the products, to be able to maximize the value delivered by the team. He should also be able to work with the team and stakeholders, and sometimes say no to stakeholders if what they are asking for won't bring high customer value. And for this reason, product owners should be qualified. They should have expanded knowledge on the business, the customer, and the market to be able to take decisions. Last but not least, product owners should be available to the team and stakeholders to answer their questions and clarify the requirements when needed. Now let's look at the Scrum Master. He is a servant leader for the Scrum Team. Scrum Masters help the Scrum Team perform at their highest level. They do this by holding the Scrum Team accountable to their working agreements, Scrum values, and to the Scrum framework itself. They serve the development team by coaching them in self-organization, improving the team dynamics and motivation, facilitating Scrum events as requested or needed, removing impediments to the team's progress, and protecting the team from both internal and external interruptions. Scrum Masters serve the product owner by helping them better understand and communicate value, finding effective techniques for product backlog management. They help the product owner to plan the work with the team to deliver the highest customer value. The Scrum Master also acts as a change agent. He serves the organization at large, helping them understand what Scrum is and create an environment that supports Scrum. Now, let's take a look at the development team. Scrum has broadened the word developer to include not only engineers, but anyone who is involved in creating a product. So a developer role in Scrum means a team member who has the right skills as part of the team to do the work. The development team is a self-organizing, cross-functional unit. They decide how to accomplish the work set by the product owner, have all the skills needed in the team, and are empowered to do what is necessary to manage their own work and meet the sprint goal. So no one has the authority to tell them how to turn product backlog into a desired value. The development team should ideally be co-located and long-lived, and the ideal size for a development team is between 3 to 9 members. Any smaller, and the team couldn't accomplish enough each sprint. Any larger, and communication becomes complex. As a summary, in a Scrum team, the product owner is responsible of defining the purpose and ensuring the team is building the right thing. The development team is responsible of building the thing the right way and have a high-quality product. And the Scrum Master will be responsible of helping the team to build the product well and fast and removing the team's impediments. Having the right balance between purpose, quality, and efficiency will help the team to reach their level of effectiveness and high performance. I hope this video clarified the different roles and responsibilities in Scrum. Please leave us a comment and click on the subscribe button if you want to learn more. Thank you.